Okay, this video is going to be in After Effects, just making a simple text graphic with no background, no picture, no nothing. Put a quick effect on it and then save it out to bring it back into Premiere. So first thing I'm going to do is do a new project. At this point, all of our projects have been a blank project with a new composition, and we do one per. We don't do any extras. We don't change anything or do 5 or 6 per. If you're doing it for yourself and you're just making, say, a graphic with lots of pictures or lots of text, that's fine. Use as many layers. Just use a single composition inside each project for when you bring it back into Premiere. All right, so the first thing we look for is our preset, which is HDTV 1080-24. It gives us 1920 by 1080 square pixels. The only thing I change is I go to 23.976. Okay, so we're looking at drop frame versus non-drop frame. And then you can change your resolution like we normally do to help a Porto run faster. Half or quarter is fine. My computer can handle it, so I don't worry. Start time code is 000000, making sure it starts at 0. And then duration is, remember, you just pick how long you want the graphic. I'm going to make this one 5 seconds, so 05:00. And I leave the background as black so I can use it as a transparency. All right, so now my screen is up. Down here in the bottom left, I see I'm at 137%. Okay, so I'm just going to go to 100%. So I'll basically fit to screen in the area. I don't want to go any larger. I want to see exactly what it's going to look like. And now I take my text tool. I draw my text box. And I'm going to type inside, let's see, we'll do again, 2015 Ren Rally RCHS. Going to highlight it, and now I'm going to increase the size. To do this, I'm going to come over to my windows to the right. Inside, you are going to see that character has been opened up due to the fact that we are working with character. I'm going to try 200. That's too big. I'm going to try 150. I like that. Okay. Now I will have to adjust this one to where I want it on the screen for the time being, so I can see how the animation looks. But when I go to Premiere, I can still move it around if I want to, using the effects tab and using a different location for position. So I see this. I'm also going to come in and I'm going to give it a color. And we talked about, obviously, school colors being purple. So I'm going to work with purple. Check my font, Helvetica. Nah, I'll just go with something a little bit different, but kind of, oh, Helvetica bold works. I'm okay with that. So now I have this, and now what I'm going to look at is going to my animations. So I click on my character one again, and that closes. I click on paragraph, it closes. I open up animation presets and I open up text. Okay, I'm going to just do a basic animate in. So I'm going to take spiral center. I'm going to drop it on, and I'm going to hit the space bar and give it a look. Nice. Okay, good. So I'm happy with that graphic. Control S or Command S to save. So renrally_1, because this is the After Effects file to go at the beginning of the Ren Rally. And I hit desktop, go to my folder. Remember, I told you I'm using it, putting in my do's and don'ts folder, because that's my current project just for test purposes. And then I save it. At this point, my file has been saved and I'm ready to move into Premiere and finish out the project.